today?
To do an activity.
Very nice. We are doing an activity, and as you know, these are what? These are cards, and what are there? These are professionals. We are learning community helpers now.
Yes.
So we will do a game. And what is this?
Dice.
This is cube, professional cubes. In this you can say, what is this?
Police.
And what is this?
Doctor.
What does doctor do?
Doctor in
Doctor always treat us. Okay, and what is this?
firefighter.
And what is this?
Plumber.
Postman do?
Post.
Postman posts our letter. Postman posts the cards. Okay, every important document. Yes. Now I will roll the dice, and as you see, these are the beads. As I will roll, and now जो भी profession you will see now, just move, put the bead there. I'm rolling it. Now tell me, what is this?
Police.
Put the bead on police. Well done. Very nice. Yes, Arvi. Yeah, no, Babu, this. Here. Now again, ma'am will roll. Tell me, what is this?
Doctor.
Ah, yes. Put that one bead on doctor. Good.
Firefighter.
What does firefighter do?
Firefighter.
Yes, safe.
Fire.
Put out the fire. Firefighter always save us, protect us.
Fire. Teacher.
Yes. Who teaches you? Who teaches you?
Teachers teach.
Teacher teaches you. What teacher teaches you? Discipline, manners, and okay, next. What is this?
Firefighter.
Again, one step. Firefighter will move. Firefighter will move one step more ahead. Yes. Wait. Yeah, this only. We will move this beat further. Again, I am rolling it. What is this?
Teacher.
Move one step more. Let me check who will win.
Policeman.
Policemen protect us from what? Criminals.
Lovely.
Yes. Policemen protect us from criminals, from thieves. And I want a high five from you. Yes. Good. Next is what?
Postman.
Put a bead on postman. Rishika, baby, put a bead on postman. Move this further, move this further, move this further. Okay. Good. Now what is this?
Doctor.
Yes. Wait, beta, doctor is there na, you just need to move. Okay. Clear? Now again.
Firefighter.
Move firefighter. Good.
Plumber.
Move. Keep a beat. Keep a beat on now next.
Next postman.
Move.
Next plumber.
Move. Wait. Wait. Now.
Next firefighter.
It's interesting. Again it's a firefighter. Oh God. This here only baby. Anyone can guess who will win?